In this video, we are still here at Whiteland Restorations, which wasn't entirely the plan. Things haven't gone perfectly to plan. You have to apologise for the very bright light on top of Miss Hubnut's head.
Yeah.
But this is a bit weird. We're overlapping videos now. So Whiteland Restorations are making a video about the welding work, because some of the welding work got way out of beyond our skill set. There is some welding we've done.
No, actually, it's nice.
You can't look at it yet,
because
that's secret. And he's going to look at Whiteland Restorations. We did some welding.
We did.
And Lewis has done some more difficult welding, and he's still continuing with some of it. The fuel tank is going to have to come out. Joy. So what are you doing, dear?
Because Lewis and Whiteland are very conscientious, and that's how I like it as well. We're going to take the opportunity while she's up on the ramps to give her a good scrub down, take the rust back as much as possible, because actually, apart from that over there, which we're not going to talk about, because
Don't talk about that.
That's not our content, and some other bits that I'm just not looking at right now.
Yeah, don't look.
Apart from that, we're just going to take the opportunity to take the rust back, clean her down, and then we're going to coat her in a product, the name of which is
Vactan.
Vactan. We're covering in Vactan first, are we?
Oh, we're doing all sorts of stuff. So yeah, we're doing some Vactan, which is a rust converter. So that just converts any rust. You can see. And then we've got Alpha Lan is what we've got. And this is a couple of aerosol cans, 500 ml. Often there's a bit of a lance thing to help you get into box sections and stuff.
Which is cool.
Very yummy. So this is made in the UK by MDS Europe Limited. These are the people who make the Bulldog BDX penetrating boiler, of which we are huge fans.
There was a vision of putting this on Ellie, but if you want the test of this vehicle, this is your vehicle.
Yeah, this is the one really. If a rust protection system is pretending to be good, or not pretending, is saying it's good, alleging it's good, there is no better test than a Daihatsu in Wales in the winter.
Yeah, they never really had any protective coating.
Oh, they had none. It was hopeless.
Hence, they are quite keen on rust.
Yeah.
Quite keen.
Yeah, ideally we would have cleaned the car a bit more before it came in here. We've
It's
got
just an
mud all in the
unfortunate
arches and everything, but
series of events, to quote Lemony Snicket.
yeah.
We
definitely.
had the intention of one hole that really fell through, literally. So now there's two.
This is what happens. This is always what happens with cars. Jobs just escalate.
However, this is where you and I differ, isn't it? Because Lewis likes to make sure it's done right, which is the right way to do things.
And I just want to fix it enough to get driving again.
Like, just whack the stuff on it. And
Yeah.
Be fine. So this is great. I am enjoying this, even though I'm covered in gunk and looking ridiculously stylish.
Oh yeah.
Ridiculously
This is the glamour of YouTube, baby.
I know. And do you know what? If we go and do that school work experience day, we'll just show them this. And be like, if you were a YouTuber, this could be you.
This could be you.
You could be under a car, feeling bits of grit in your teeth and your eyes and everywhere.
So yeah, I'm letting you crack on with this because I've been very hard at work editing actually.
Now you've finished the editing.
I've got to make a thumbnail.
And then you
Thumbnails are very
You
important.
can grab power tools.
Okay. I'm in.
Yeah,
Power tools.
I knew you'd be in. I knew you'd
Sorted. Right, to allow better access for the repairs that Lewis needs to do, we need to drain fuel. And for some reason, we seem to have swapped roles. So now Miss Hubnut's back on camera.
I mean, you could scrub all the gunk if you want. I'll do that.
No, I'm good. I'll just soak myself in petrol. Yeah, we are hoping we've not got more than one jerry can's worth of fuel, but I fear life is about to get very exciting. Oh, there we go. Why did you give me this job, I wonder? Oh, try and keep the arm upright. It's not nice when it gets to the armpit. Oh, it's at the elbow. Oh my gosh, how much thread is on this bolt? Oh, here we go.
You save the bolt. Is that it?
I wonder if we should have popped the fuel filler. You need to pull the lever, or push the lever down in between the front seats.
In between the front seats?
Yep. That sounded good.
Ready for a go?
Yeah. Oh yeah. Maybe we put that back in again if we feel we're rushing to our capacity a bit.
Just the old quick switcheroo, lift the funnel up.
Oh, is that what we're going for?
Yeah, I think so.
Oi. That method of controlling the flow works amazingly well, doesn't it?
It doesn't. It's a good cool swap over there, must be quite a lot in there. Ray, release the flow.
Yeah.
You really did fill it up before coming over?
Well, no, I filled it up in Pembrokeshire. So drove about 50 miles. This is about 3/4 of a tank, I think. This is fun. I'm trying to hide our welding, so because you need to watch Whiteland's channel to do that. But this area is very bad, and we're not going to tackle that. That's a little too worrying for us. So we'll let more professional hands. But we're dropping the tank partly for how close everything is to this bit that needs repairing, but also because we noticed this. We didn't see this yesterday because everything was wet yesterday because of the drive here, but the fuel tank does appear to be leaking right next to where it needs repairing. So that's why we're draining the fuel out. Not ideal. And unfortunately, it's the same story this side. It's the same spot. It's yeah, that's bits of car falling out there. So this has turned into a bit more of a job than we expected. But such is life. So yeah, we're going to drop the tank, hope everything comes undone, and then we can try and work out why this is leaking, and do some rust proofing above the tank as well, and hopefully not find more rust. Shh. Well, it's a couple of days later, and things are still escalating. This poor little car is so very, very rotten.
Thanks, mate.
Yeah. And sheer lunacy to be attempting this at all, really, but nonetheless, Lewis and Mo are digging in.
They've absolutely done a fantastic job.
They've done
already.
an amazing job. So there's
Fantastic.
a closer look at where we are today. Okay, so where we were in the wheel arch, things have progressed quite a lot. This was what we were originally here, was this area, but quickly escalated into all of this chassis leg, pretty much. And there's going to be more needed because I can see daylight through there as well. So yeah, more work there. And inside here, things have got crazy. We've just discovered this area of complete chaos. So some very smart fabrication is going to be needed to sort that mess out. So and deaf wheels. Yeah.
Deaf wheels.
Yeah. That's what angle grinders are. Deaf wheels. Hey, we'll come around the other side, more of the same. So,
Even more substantial, actually.
yeah. Repairs here, and yeah, this is the area that's now being attacked. You can kind of see why. Yeah, there's bits of it falling off. Lots of daylight going on. Does it make any sense to do this? Absolutely not, but we love this car. And the way things are going, this will be an increasingly rare survivor, because they're all doing this. So, amazing work. Well, while welding is going on in the background, Mini Hubnut and myself are trying to clean up the fuel tank, doing a sterling job there, wire brush, and then dusting away all the rust particles. I'm trying to find out why this joint was leaking. Nothing obvious, no holes on the outlet, no holes in the pipe, but if you look inside the pipe, where's the camera? There's the camera. Can it focus on that in there? Lots of rust build-up inside the hose, and that's after I've been scrubbing at it for quite some time to clean it off. So I suspect maybe that's the source of the leak. We've had to clean this up with a wire brush as well. All very rusty around there. So yeah, not so ideal, but we'll clean it up as best we can. Might Q-rust the tank and put it all back together. So, are you enjoying this dismantling of your car?
Now it's not quite so traumatic and it's going back together.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
making quite a difference.
It really has been dark days.
Yeah.
Really dark days.
Yes, definitely escalated a little beyond our expectation.
Eternally grateful.
Yeah, because as much as we'd love to have a go at the welding, it's got to the stage it's just getting a bit too specialist a job, really. So, and it's the length of time as well. It would take us forever to make repair sections next year. We don't want that car off the road another year. So
No, we need that car now.
yeah.
Problem.
Yep. So we'll keep cleaning it up and reassembling. Right, here we go. It has been declared that the welding is complete. So what was complete mess is now solid metal again. Obviously we've still got seam sealing, paint, etc. to do, a bit of grinding. But yeah, good times. Given how rotten that was just a big hole with more hole and more rusty bit right underneath it. So pleasing times. I know it's tea time apparently. Well, welding all done, and we've been attacking Shemi with the Vactan.
And scrubbing down.
And scrubbing down, so going around with a wire brush, anything that's got slightest bit of surface rust, getting attacked with Vactan. And as you can see, quite a few spots underneath. But yeah, we're gradually getting everything ready. In fact, there's another area, we need to attack that area more. Where's the brush? Yeah, so more Vactanning, there's always somewhere. I'll tell you what, these head torches, which
These are superb.
I believe White Restoration sell them themselves and have them on their store. From time to time, I believe they're awaiting the next supply of those. They are very, very useful and they light up rust beautifully. So that's one thing. And Lewis has just made himself a coffee.
Yeah, I like
No, I don't think that's coffee.
Not coffee. Is this the Epoxy?
That is the Epoxy.
Okay. So we'll start glooping that on.
Oh, that smells
as well.
lovely.
Would you like to do that?
I'll do that. Yep.
Oh, smaller glass.
Stylish, eh? We are now done with the epoxy on the new bits, cure rust on anything we've seen that's rusty. Next plan is to get some Schutz undercoating on the underside, but we're going to have to wait for everything to dry. So I think that's the end of today's festivities. So
We're all going to have a day off.
Yeah. Gone from a very rusty Daihatsu with holes in it when we got here this morning to a Charade that is now considerably more solid. We just need to protect it and try and stop it rusting again. So we have plenty of products to try.
There were even new holes today, so that was a bonus.
We don't mention new holes. And yeah, it's been an experience. So huge thanks to Lewis and Mo for doing so much welding work yesterday. Sadly, not very much captured on camera because they were just head down working through it.
There's so much work gone into it. So much work.
And yeah, we shall see you in the next part of this surprising adventure. Bye.
Frankenshem.